一进房间的床上，发现了一封信。信是什么呢？打开看一下。今天晚上5点半有一个鸡尾酒会。
Read it when you book your next cruise. Now, if you have not met her yet, I'm sure you have seen her around because she wears the best heels on board. She comes all the way from Italy. Is your cruise sales manager, Hussein. Ciao, Bella.
Thank you, Enrico. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
And most importantly, thank you for choosing the MSC Seashore for your vacation destination. Now please help me to welcome to today's stage these two gentlemen. First one, he comes all the way from Greece, your hotel director, Dr. Yanis Kazalis. And of course, the master of the vessel, your captain, my captain, Captain Rafaeli Ondicorno. At this time, everybody, I would love to propose a toast for everyone. So please make sure you have a glass in your hands. Captain. And once again, everybody, I want to thank you, each and every one of you. This toast goes especially to you, our most loyalty guests. We're doing Italian style. Salute! Everybody, once again, a massive round of applause as they go back to work. The head of the department, the senior officers, aboard the MSC Seashore.